Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ailey if you're new. Today's video is going to be one of my to the point, back to basics makeup tutorials. So we're going to break it all down. These are going to be really short videos, I hope. They're going to be to the point and they're going to be exactly what you need to know for what it is that we're talking about in the video. Today we're going to be talking about how people get that no makeup look without putting foundation all over your face. If you want to see how to go from this to this, then just keep watching. I'm using this today, but you can use pretty much anything. I would say you could, the heavier the concealer the better. So there's MAC concealers here. We've got some RCMA cream colours here. You could use anything, but I would say the better the coverage, the better. First of all, I'm going to prep my skin. It doesn't matter what you use. Another good tip if you're peely-wily like me and you like having a little bit of a tan is to use a facial tanner, because overall it's going to even out your skin tone, so that helps a little bit. Yeah, I have already shade matched, so I've basically mixed these colours together to shade match. If you want to see a video on how to shade match your foundation, it will be up here in the corner for you. But I've got some on my hand and I've got my little brush. This is actually like a liner brush or something like that came with a gel liner or something. We're going to spot conceal. I obviously have dryness and stuff like that up here. That's a wee bit more tricky to hide. But you're just going to be meticulous and you're going to go over and you're going to hide any imperfections. And any imperfections can mean anything you don't want to be seen. And basically what it does is it disguises and makes your overall skin look healthier, look clearer, look like you have foundation on. And what you want to do is basically just apply the product and then tap it out with your fingers. Try and tap sort of around the edges so you're not lifting the product, but if you do lift the product, just add a little bit more. Find that you struggle with the putting it on and dabbing it with your finger, that you're lifting it off, you can get a sort of a little synthetic brush like this. Just make sure you're picking up a tiny little amount and just really lightly buff it in. So overall my skin just looks a little bit more even. Then obviously you can take it further than that and you can add in concealer, you can add in contour, stuff like that. And obviously if you want to do your eyes, your brows, stuff like that, you can always just do that, and then that could be you done. If you just want to even out your skin tone. If you want to then take it to the next level and add a little bit of definition to your face without going overboard, then this is what I would recommend doing. So I've just mixed up something. It's really light. It's not deep at all. It creates a little bit of colour. You could get yourself a little bit of a cream blush. Cream blush. This is a very sheer cream blush. And there you have it. I'm not going to do any more because doing any more would just make it a normal look. This is just if you want to throw something on. This is the kind of thing I wear when I'm on holiday and stuff like that and it's too hot. I would normally do my eyebrows and my lashes and stuff like that, but I am doing separate videos on that today, so if you want to see them, they will be linked up there eventually when they're up. But this is how you can get really natural looking skin without putting foundation on your skin at all. The only thing I have is the little bits of concealer to conceal anything I wanted to hide, and the beauty of it is if there's anything up here, your little bit of contour and blush will hide it. You don't even have to do the contour, you can just stick a little bit of blush on and it just makes your skin look really healthy. It doesn't do anything mad special to your skin or anything like that. It just takes away from looking at any imperfections on your face. It disguises the imperfections and makes you overall look really flawless. And yeah, that's it. So obviously, if you enjoyed this video, I would love if you would give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you want to see any more of these videos, back to basics, straight to the point, then they will be linked, or subscribed, tick the bell, you'll be notified when they're uploaded. And hopefully I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!